Hi there, welcome to our Home Tools Pro channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, what can you make with a wood lathe? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Lathes have been around for centuries and are still used today in various settings. A wood lathe is a powerful tool that can be used to create beautiful and intricate pieces of woodwork. Though their primary purpose is to create cylindrical shapes out of wood, they can also be used to create other objects. In order to get the most out of your wood lathe, it is important to understand how it works and what its capabilities are. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. Kitchen utensils. Number 2. Bowls, mugs, and plates. Number 3. Rolling pins. Number 4. Spice shakers. Number 5. Mortar and pestle. Number 6. Flower pots. Number 7. Small storage containers. Number 8. Pens and pen holders. Number 9. Table chairs, louvers, and hand railing spindles, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out HomeToolsPro.com.